Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombie's Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're going to be making you a delicious drink. We're going to be making you the Bloody Ranch Water. Okay, for tonight's ingredients, we're going to be using Don Julio Silver Tequila. We're going to be using good old Chamoy. We're going to be using club soda, which is in the gun. We're going to be using limes. We're also going to be using some chili. These are the ingredients for tonight's drink, guys. Let's get started making it. All right, guys, now to make our Bloody Ranch Water, we're going to take our glass, bring over our chili powder, bring over our rimmer here. We're going to put in a little bit of chamoy right there. Okay, we're going to rim our glass. Okay, there you go, see that? Now we've got our chili on our glass. We're going to set this glass aside. I'm a big proponent of using two glasses. I know a lot of people don't agree with that, but I like it. So we're going to take our other glass, we're going to fill it with ice. All right. Now, our first ingredient is 1 3/4 ounces of tequila. Okay. We are going to take about 3 to 4 limes. Get the lime juice in there. You want to use fresh lime juice, guys. Even if you want to muddle some, put them at the bottom. People make them all differently. I like to put about 3 or 4 fresh limes in here. Okay, it's usually about 1/2 ounce or 3/4 ounce lime juice, depending on how good your limes are. Then what we're going to do is we're going to top this off with some club soda. It's about right there. Now what we're going to do is take about 1/2 ounce of chamoy, put that in there just like that. Take your mixing tin. Now you don't want to shake this up too much because number one, you have the club soda. It'll go everywhere. Just kind of a basic mix, just like that. Break it free. Bring back over your glass and pour this right in. Awesome sauce. We're going to put on a couple limes just like that. Grab us a nice straw. And here you go. That's a Zombie's Bar Bloody Ranch Water drink. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed making the Zombie's Bar Bloody Ranch Water. You guys have got to try this at home or come on into the bar. We'd love to make one for you. Hey, if you guys like what I'm doing, please down below hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Till our next video, I'll see you then.